So let's continue the current affairs series. The first question is, who was named Times CEO of the year 2025? So who was named Times CEO of the year 2025? It was Neil Mohan. Neil Mohan has been named as Times CEO of the year 2025. Now Neil Mohan is the chief executive officer of which company? So Neil Mohan, he is the chief executive officer of YouTube. Who is the author of the book The Great Sanctions Hack? The author of the book The Great Sanctions Hack is Urjit Patel. Who was named PETA India's 2025 Person of the Year award? So PETA India's 2025 Person of the Year goes to Ravina Tandon. Who received the 2025 Dr. Paulus Mar Gregorius Award? Dr. Paulus Mar Gregorius Award of 2025, it was given to Dr. Tessie Thomas. When is National Pollution Control Day observed? So National Pollution Control Day is observed every year on 2nd December. Now what was the theme of this National Pollution Control Day? So the theme was Sustainable Living for a Greener Future. This was for the year 2025, Sustainable Living for a Greener Future. Which former governor of Mizoram and senior advocate passed away at the age of 73? So Swaraj Kausal, he was the former governor of Mizoram and a senior advocate, and he passed away at the age of 73. Who is the author of the book The Bharat? That is India Reclaiming Our Real Identity. Bharat, that is India Reclaiming Our Real Identity. The author of this book is Abhijit Jog. Who is the author of the book The 11th Hour, a Quintet of Stories? 11th Hour, a Quintet of Stories. The author of this book is Salman Rushdie. Which award was presented to Subhangi Dutt? Subhangi Dutt, she was awarded the Best Actress Award. At which film festival did Subhangi Dutt receive the Best Actress Award? So Subhangi Dutt, she received the Best Actress Award at the International Film Festival of Australia. So mind it is the International Film Festival of Australia where Subhangi Dutt received the Best Actress Award. For which film did Subhangi Dutt receive the Best Actress Award? So she received it for Tanvi the Great. When is the International Day for the Elimination of Violence Against Women observed? So the International Day for the Elimination of Violence Against Women is observed every year on 25th November. So International Day for the Elimination of Violence Against Women is observed every year on 25th November.